Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving deep into the Starling Personal Debit Card. If you're considering getting one or just curious about how it works, stick around, because we're breaking it all down. From its features to fees, and the good and the bad, this guide is your one-stop shop for everything you need to know before signing up. First up, let's talk about what the Starling Personal Debit Card is. It's a MasterCard linked to your Starling bank account, which is based entirely online. The card offers features like zero foreign transaction fees, real-time spending notifications, and the ability to freeze or unfreeze the card instantly using the Starling app. Now, on to some of the advantages. The standout benefit of the Starling Debit Card is the lack of fees for spending abroad. You won't get hit with foreign transaction fees, and you'll get the real exchange rate when you spend in another currency. It also comes with in-app budgeting tools that help you keep track of your spending. For those of you who are conscious about sustainability, Starling Bank even offers cards made from recycled materials. Let's touch on the app for a moment. Starling's mobile app is really user-friendly. You can instantly check your balance, monitor transactions, and get real-time alerts for spending. They also have some handy budgeting features where you can split your funds into different spaces for saving, all within one account. But it's not all sunshine. While there are lots of positives, there are a few downsides too. First, Starling Bank doesn't have physical branches, which might be a deal-breaker for people who prefer in-person banking. Additionally, while most standard services are free, there are charges for certain services like cash deposits made through PayPoints and sending international payments. Another thing to be aware of is customer service. While most reviews praise the app's functionality, there are occasional complaints about delays and customer support response times. It's all handled via the app or phone, so if you run into an issue, you won't be able to walk into a branch to sort things out. And what about fees? The Starling Debit Card has no monthly account fees, which is great. However, if you plan on making cash deposits frequently, bear in mind that Starling charges £3 for each deposit made at PayPoint locations. International payments also come with a small fee, so make sure to double-check those details before transferring money abroad. So, who is this card for? If you love managing everything from your phone, do a lot of traveling, or simply want a modern banking experience, the Starling Debit Card could be an excellent option. However, if you prefer face-to-face interaction with your bank or frequently make cash deposits, you might want to look elsewhere. That's it for today's breakdown of the Starling Personal Debit Card. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future content. See you in the next one.